Those of you who subscribe to the Frontier Post Intelligencer already know who we are backing as President of the United States. And for those of you who are hearing it for the first time, our choice to be president is not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one, nope. The next President of the United States is this one. Sarah Palin deserves to be President of the United States because she's just like me. She runs what she calls a company, Alaska. I run a small business too. And she knows the heartache of having enemies on all sides. She's got Russia over there and Canada over there, and what if Putin flies over her airspace? What if he wants to drop a bomb? What's she going to do then? Sarah knows these things, and that's why we think that she is the best choice. And we're not the first to endorse her for this position. Stephen Colbert, a well-noted television commentator, has also said Sarah Palin should be president, not vice president. And Frank Rich of the New York Times says she wants to be president, she thinks she can be president, she thinks she will be president, and perhaps soon. He thinks that the big surprise that John McCain is going to pull now is to flip the ticket. Thank you for putting your country above yourself and for putting Sarah Palin at the top of the ticket to become the next president of our great country. You will make a wonderful vice president.